In this video, you learn how to shade like this, all with basic equipment. These are the tools we'll be using. We'll be using charcoal pencil, and we'll be using earbuds and tissue for the smudging. Some people out there use paint brushes like this, but I prefer makeup brushes because they are smoother and they produce a better result. You first start by outlining the sketch to make sure the lines don't disappear as you shade the charcoal over it with the earbuds. Always remember, the thing about shading is layering. When you start shading, start by layering bit by bit of charcoal with your earbuds and brush to build up the tone of the skin. And when you're shading, never shade in random direction. Always look at your reference as many times as you need to make sure you're doing the right thing. You can see as I keep changing between tools, from my brush to my earbud, my pencil to the tissue, just to make sure everything comes out as it's supposed to be. Here I'm shading or blending in a circle kind of direction to avoid those rough edges or rough lines. This circular motion when blending or shading helps you achieve better and smoother results. Alright, so you keep layering until you get the results you're looking for. Usually takes about minimum 3 layers, sometimes even up to 5 layers is okay. Just make sure you get the skin tone right, not too dark and not too light. When you're finally done building up the skin tone, then you can start adding details. Many artists out there make the mistake of starting to add details before they achieve the right skin tone. Alright, so when adding details, I first start by drawing each skin pore with a pencil one by one, and then later blending over that with my tissue, brush or earbuds. Anything that can blend, just blend lightly so that your skin pores don't disappear again. Then after that, I go to my electric eraser and add in the highlights to enhance the detail. And you blend over them a little bit just so that it looks natural. It doesn't look like the skin pores are just something on the skin and it looks like the skin has some sort of infection. And remember, details don't have to be everywhere. That's why I keep saying, always look at your reference image to see exactly where the details are. Don't make up stuff you're seeing in your head, draw what's actually there. After some hours of patience and hard work, I'm sure you'll see the results you've been looking for. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.